Hey guys, my name is Cody, and I'm so excited to be joining you today and getting to do an art lesson with you, tell you a little bit about myself. I love Jesus, and I love to draw. I hope you like to draw too. And in today's Bible lesson, we're gonna learn about a story in Luke chapter 5, where there was this man who was paralyzed. That means he can't get up, he couldn't walk, he couldn't play, he couldn't run. And he had 4 friends who really, really loved him and wanted to see him get healed. And so they heard that Jesus was in town and they wanted to take their friend to Jesus. So what they did was they carried this paralytic man on his bed to go see Jesus. But when they got to the house that Jesus was in, it was so full, there was no room for them. But they loved this guy so much they didn't stop there. They climbed on top of the house, pulled off some of the shingles, and lowered their friend on his bed down into the house. Jesus saw them and was amazed by their faith, and he healed the man. And I think this is such a great story to show us the importance of having good, faith-filled friends in our lives. So today we're gonna draw a picture about friendship, about love, about having faith for our friends. So I hope you got your art supplies, got some paper, a pencil, some markers, some crayons, whatever you like to draw with, and let's jump in. All right, so what we're gonna draw today is a heart and a hand holding the heart. The hand of friendship, extending love to the people that we care about. So first thing we're gonna draw is a heart, and we're gonna use our pencil. And draw the back side of the heart. Oh, a little messy. It's okay. It's a happy accident. We'll fix it later. Okay, so we have our rough sketch of our heart, and now we need to draw the hand. Now think, if you were holding a heart, you would not see your whole hand, but you would just see your thumb if it was wrapped around the heart. So we're gonna draw a little thumb, just like that, kind of a thumb wrapped around the heart, and then the back of the hand coming from behind the heart here. There we go. Okay, that's our drawing. All right, now did you know that colors have different meanings? For example, yellow is the color of friendship and blue is the color of faith. So I'm gonna color my heart and hand those colors to represent friendship and faith, but you can color it any color you want. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my yellow marker and start coloring. I'm gonna do the best I can to stay inside the lines. But you know what? If you go outside the lines, no big deal. All the white space filled in. And there's my yellow heart. Again, yellow representing friendship, love, and friendship. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw my hand. I'm gonna color it blue. Again, you can color it any color you want to, but blue represents faith and the action of faith. And so I'm gonna color my hand blue. Went outside of the lines there a little bit, but it's okay. We can actually hide the mistake. All right, so last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my black marker and I'm gonna put an outline on everything and cover up some of my mistakes. While you're finishing up this drawing, maybe take some time to think about some of the friends that God has blessed you with in your life. Maybe it's a brother or a sister or a neighbor or someone you go to school with, maybe somebody at your church. somebody who you know, who loves you, who prays for you, who wants the best for you. But also think about those friends that you love that you would pray for. Maybe you want to give this drawing to them just to show them how much they mean to you. And there is our friend, heart and hand. That was so much fun. So I hope you guys will join me next week and we'll draw some more.